So hi everyone, welcome back here. And here I'm just talking in English without any thinking of how I am good or I am not so good in my English. I'm just talking about myself. I'll tell you that's one of the things that if you really want to be speak as a good speaker, then you should really do hard work in your English. If you do not speak as much as a native speaker, then you do not speak like a native speaker. And every day we try to speak English as a native speaker. We don't speak like a native speaker, but I'll tell you that one day you will speak English as a native speaker, because I did it. Then how you will do, because every time we think a lot of ourselves, that's we are like this, are not enough in our English, and we do lots of efforts of our English. So that's why we do not speak English as much as a native speaker, because sometimes we do lots of effort in our English. And when we feel like that's our result are not getting too much good, then we lose our hope, and we think like that, oh, we are not a native speaker, then why we are doing that. And we done we did it, we did lots of efforts of our English. But uh, but because of all of the things all of, because all of the things that we do not speak English as a native speaker. So this is not the right way, because something is not so going good in my English. Because I tell you that's in my learning phase, when I am a beginner, and at that time I thinking that I become a good speaker, so at that time I do not speak English as a native speaker. But when I'm trying to take initiative for myself, I speak on a better way version, because I do everyday record English in my I record videos in front of, I put the mobile phone in front of me and just record all the videos, and just I record myself in a mobile phone. And that time, after a time I watched I after a time I watched all those videos. After a time I watched all those videos, and what I think about myself. Okay, I am here wrong, I am this place, I am here wrong, and I should be corrected on all those all these part. Because if I did not correct my if I did not correct if I did not correct myself on this part, then how could I speak, and how could I make to very native speaker. Because native speaker means who are those person who speak well, and who speak anything in English without any thinking of their English. Because so that's why makes him a better way, that person. And I tell you that's I tell you one of the story of my friend. When I was reading in a 12th class, then I met one person, that's name is Raghuram, and he is a very shy. He was very shy person at that time, and he always scared about English, and he never tried to speak English. But he want to speak English. He want to speak English, but he thought at that time that's if I would speak English, then my English my English gonna be incorrect, and I lost my all the experiences, and I feel so demotivated. I felt so demotivated. So this is not the right way. I tell him that I tell him that say, this is not the right way. You should practice daily. You should have to practice daily. Otherwise you do not speak English as a native speaker. But because this is not the right way. So this is not the right way. When you are trying to speak English, then that time you understand that's what were you are doing, what were you are doing mistake in your English. So this is the way you are so this is the way you can improve your English. And I'll tell you that's because we like I understand one point of my English, that if I speak I speak very fast in my English. So that time I when I speak in English in a very fast, and I didn't hesitate in my English. So all those English is my correct. But when sometimes I hesitate and I am stopping in my English, so that time is something I should have been correct on all those part, because I found my area that this is not the right way to speak English. So this is not a so there is a there is I am going there is I am lacking in I am lacking in my English sentence, and I should be correct on this part. So basically I find it because because if I am a native speaker and I speak as a fluent speaker, so because of I know now everything, I know all of the thing. That's why, because that's why I speak English a lots of and without any hesitating. So if I have without hesi if if I speak English without any hesitating and I speak anything in English, so how can I understand myself that I am not a good speaker in English, because I speak anything in English and without any hesitating, and uh, my mouth is very my mouth is very cozy when I speak in English. So, and I am not hesitate, and I don't think a lot of in English. And so that's why na I am a g- I so that's so that's indicate that point that I become a good speaker in my English. So I don't think like that I'm not a good speaker in my English, because sometimes when speak slow, then that time I should take a time to understand where I'm what I was thinking, what I was thinking of my English. So that's why I take a time, and I feel like I at that time I feel like that's oh I thought I take a time, I took a lot of time to my speak English. So I am not a I so I do not make a good speaker in my English. So that's why na you should to try to speak everyday English. So that's the area when every day you speak fast in your English. So that time you should understand that you this how much you speak in English without any hesitation, you are becoming a good speaker in English. And I'll tell you I give you assurance that you become a good speaker, and no one can stop you in English, because you are very comfortable in your English, and you will speak anything in your English, and no one can defeat your English, because you are one of the kind you are one of the you are one of those kind of person who take effort for your English. And if you take effort your English, and if you take effort your English, then you will do lot of much better than the other people who cannot do it till the date. So you did it to yourself. So this is the way of your English is becoming a good. So this is the my fast version of speaking English. But if I speak slow in English, so then that time felt like that oh I do not understand of my English. And I felt like that time that's I did lots of effort in my English, but I because of until despite of all of the things of I do not speak English. So what is the reason of behind of what is the reason behind of it? That's why why could I not speak English much better way of the those person are speaking English. So this is the way of I am talking about myself. And I tell you that is one of the story of my that when I was in my 12th class. So that time I was very a nervous person. I was very shy, introverted student at that time. And I thinking I at that time I was thinking about myself. That's you are very. I was not thinking about myself. I was felt like that's what. I felt at that time that's I am not learning and I am not confident at that time, because but my dream at that time my dream was very big, and I think like that I do not work on I I have not doing on it. I do not work on it. So that's why my English, so that's why I felt not confident at that time. And I am very so clumsy guy at that time, and I feel so nervous. So I tell you that so one of my teacher name is I forget the my teacher name is, but he was a very good teacher, and he understand all of the children of our 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 standard, and he he always support us. He always support us, that you all can do, you all are gem of your life. So don't ever you feel like underconfident, then you will that and ever you feel like underconfident, then you will speak to you will speak to yourself, that's I can do it, I will do it, and I will do anything. And so this is the so this was quote so this was a quote which is gave by our teacher. So I know his name, I know his name, but I forget his name because of because a lot of time had been lot of time had had gone. So because of that, why I not I do not remember of his name. But the teacher of mine is good. So lots of time we, like every time we trying to, when we are trying to speak ourselves, then we only focus on the present, because we do not trying to storytelling. So if we do not trying to storytelling, then how can we speak much better way to ourselves. Otherwise, when I were when I when I am trying to speak storytelling, so that time I felt like that, okay, this was part where I should have a practice on my English. So this is the way of I learn English. And I tell you that's if you really want, like how if you want to know that how much you know speak English, then you speak fast and fast, more fast. Don't think like that. Don't think like that how much you made mistake in your English, how much you did, how much you stop, how much you hesitate. Let me tell you that one thing, that's when you are speaking lots of words, lots of sentences without any hesitation, so that time you should understand that this area is under your control. Otherwise, when you are hesitating, when otherwise you are repeating those sentences, then that time you will realize that this was my area where I am just lacking, and I am not here is much better way to speak English. So this is my all about of these videos. And I sum up all of the conversation that you speak every day, and you should have to consistently basis, and you should speak more fast, and you should speak more fast. Then you should realize that you how if you do not hesitate, if you do not stop stuck in your English at that time, then you will definitely know about yourself that this area is correct. And when you are hesitate, then this area have you should to work. Then thank you everybody, and just I just close this video, and see you next time. Bye.